In this video, I'll show you how to freeze and unfreeze your Wise card. Step 1. Open the Wise app or website. Log into your Wise account via the mobile app or at wise.com. I'll leave a link to wise.com in the description down below. Step 2. Navigate to the Cards section. Select the Cards tab to see all your Wise debit cards, both physical and virtual. Step 3. Choose the card to freeze or unfreeze. Tap or click on the specific card you want to freeze or unfreeze. Step 4. Select Freeze Card or Unfreeze Card. Tap the Freeze Card button to temporarily disable the card or Unfreeze Card to reactivate it. Step 5. Confirm the action. You'll instantly see the card status change. When frozen, the card cannot be used for transactions. Now some tips for card security. Freeze your card immediately if it's lost, stolen, or you suspect fraud. Freezing is temporary. You can unfreeze anytime without contacting support. If you want to permanently block a card, request a replacement instead. Monitor transactions regularly to detect any unauthorized use. And that's how you freeze and unfreeze your Wise card. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments and I'll try to help you out.